mathematicians. Okay, we are measuring with a ruler now. So we've moved on from concrete models. So look down here, you see all of our vocabulary again. We have things like feet, ruler, length, yardstick, unit of length. That sounds more like concrete models. Measuring tape, meter stick, meter, all that good stuff. Okay, so most of these are actually things that we might consider a ruler when we're just talking about measuring with a standard unit of measurement. Okay, so we want to measure, you measure anything. You can measure the length of any object using a measuring tool, but you have to know how. Okay, so if we have this from little Chinese checkers board, we can use a ruler. Now, notice, just like with concrete models, we have to line it up end to end, okay? Now, notice, we are not measuring the star. We are measuring the entire board. So they have taken this and lined it up right here. Not the 1, but the 0. The end is lined up with the beginning or each end of this board, okay? So if we look at this, we can say, well, I jumped ahead a little bit. I apologize. The ruler is 7 inches long. Now we have to say inches because it's a standard unit of measurement and we always have to label the unit of measurement we're using. Now, what if we have this Batman? I know, it's like it was made for me. So now you're going to use a ruler to measure the height of this Batman figure. So once again, we've got, well, you can see that it's all lined up perfectly, right? Right at the end, at the 0, and then we go all the way up to the top of him here. Now, it might be a little bit over, or it could just be that the ruler's not quite lined up. It's hard when we don't have it on top of the object, right? So we can look and we can say the figure is about 5 inches tall. Again, label the amount and the unit. Excuse me. Now, we want to measure the width of this fried egg. Why? I'm not sure. In centimeters. Oh my gosh. Where's the 0? How do we do this without a 0? Miss Claire just said line it up with a 0. And it's broken. I can't do it. Oh. Okay. Wait a minute. Don't panic. We can just count the centimeters. Notice it's labeled. From one edge to the other edge, like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going edge to edge. So even though it doesn't start at 0, I can still measure the total inches that it covers end to end. Okay, so the egg is 5 centimeters wide. Again, that's another unit of measurement. Okay, we have to be very specific with our labels when we're saying that. Because if we told somebody that, the distance from my house to your house was 5 miles, that would be reasonable. But if we just said it was 5 what? Maybe kilometers, maybe inches. Maybe your next door neighbor says it's 5 feet. Who knows? You have to label it. Okay, so measuring tools come in many different shapes and sizes. You just need to make sure that you measure to the nearest whole number for now, and that you are lining it up and labeling the unit of measurement you're using. You're not going to say it's 3 inches on a tape measure because inches are universal to United States. And then, so you've got rulers, tape measures, yardsticks, all of those from the first slide with all of those vocabulary words. So good luck on your station and look to the station instructional video if you need any help further.